You are going to love the 2024 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, clock, fog lights, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.